Hello. Thank you for coming to this video, and in this video I'm going to discuss why majority of people fail to lose weight. Okay, according to a research, it is said that out of 10 people who all start with their weight loss journey or with their diets, out of 10, almost 9 people fail to lose weight. Now, I researched on this thing, and also I have almost experience of 3.5 years coaching and training people for their transformation, for their weight loss and all the things. So what I have found is I have found some common reasons like why people fail on their journey to lose weight. Okay, so there are 5 reasons why majority of people fail. These are common reasons, like majority of people fail because of this very silly small mistakes. Okay, this is common sense. Okay, the first reason is it's a journey. Okay, and before making you understand the reasons, I also want to tell you that I want to give you a gift at the end. If you stick to this video till the end, also you will get amazing information, and with that I am going to give you some gifts which can really help you to start losing your weight without any procrastination and without any struggle. Okay, so stick to the video till the end, and let's discuss the reasons. So it's a journey. Okay, the reason number 1 is it's a common sense, like every like to achieve anything, it requires a journey. Okay, and journey is never straight. Okay, have you seen like any road to any city or anything, any place is straight? Okay, the road is never straight. Okay, it has turns, it has curves. Okay, the same way for every journey, it is going to be not straight, it is not going to be a linear journey. Okay, there will be ups and downs. Okay, and most people fail because they don't have that patience, they don't want to put the efforts that are required for their transformation. Okay, they quit too soon, they quit too early, they expect results very early. Okay, and that is why, because they expect that the results are going to come super quick, but it doesn't happen that way, and it shouldn't be happening that way, because if it was easy, everybody could have achieved it. Okay, and of course it has to be hard so that it has some meaning. Okay, so reason number 2, it takes effort. Okay, and not everybody is ready to put that efforts that are needed to like achieve anything in life. Okay, and mostly the fit body, the great body, or the body that you desire to have. Okay, it really takes efforts. What are the efforts? Okay, eating healthy daily. Okay, you have to make hard choices. Okay, you have to choose like you have to choose apple over pizza, you have to choose apple over samosa, you have to choose carrot over burger. Okay, so you have to make some hard choices so that you can achieve your transformation. Okay, so it takes effort, and not everybody is ready to put, not everybody is ready to commit. Okay, the third reason is, okay, it takes time. Okay, everything takes time. Okay, a baby needs 9 months of time to mature in his mother's womb. Okay, the same way every journey, every process takes time. Okay, to achieve anything in life, it takes time. Okay, and you have to be patient to achieve those results. Okay, and where not everyone is ready to be patient. Okay, everybody wants quick results, everybody wants quick pill. Okay, they want instant gratification, they want pleasures. Okay, so not everybody is ready to be patient. Okay, they have high expectations and they are not ready to commit, and they quit too early. Okay, so this is the reason number 3 why most people fail to lose weight. Okay, reason number 4 is it needs consistency. Okay, now what is consistency? Consistency is you need daily actions. Okay, it is not like you have to eat once healthy once in a week. You have to eat healthy every day. Okay, so that you can get that body that you want. Okay, so like your professional life is a result of your education that you have got and how you have implemented on the information that you have got, the education that you have got. Okay, so it needs consistency. You need daily actions. You need to eat healthy daily. You have to make hard choices daily. You have to work out daily. You have to move your body daily. Our body is meant to move. Okay, so and why most people fail is because not everyone is ready to commit. Okay, they are not committed to their diet. They are not ready to commit to their goal. They are not ready to commit for their healthy body to achieve the results that they want. Okay, and this is why people fail. Okay, and the reason number 5th is nothing comes easy. Okay, as I said, okay, like why achieving something has meaning? Because it is hard. Okay, only if it is hard it has meaning. It has some desire. We have desire to achieve. Okay, so nothing comes easy, and so does the weight loss. Okay, so be patient, be consistent, be ready to put the efforts that are needed, and just stick to the journey, just stick to the process. And I want to also share you a mantra which I give to my clients. Okay, so I have also transformed over 200 plus people from last 3.5 years. And if you want my paid services, you can also see the description. You can get a link for my webinar in the description, and you can attend my free webinar where I'm going to share details, and I will come to that. But I want to share you a mantra. Okay, this mantra is helping like me, myself, and also my clients. Okay, so the mantra is just show up no matter what. Because like in life, because we have lot of events, we have lot of festivals coming in, we have lots of commitments that you have to commit for that. Okay, and because of those priorities, some way somehow we deprioritize our health, we deprioritize our diet, we deprioritize our fitness, and that is why people get inconsistent, people get off track. Okay, they lose their focus to eat healthy or to just work out daily. Okay, and they just fail to lose weight. Okay, so this is my mantra. Okay, you have to just show up no matter what. Okay, no matter what priorities you have, no matter what is happening in your life, you have to just show up. It doesn't have to be like you have to work out for 1 hour. It can be you can work out for 15 minutes. You can work out for 30 minutes. You can work out for 45 minutes. You can do some stretches on your own. You can do some dance on your own. Okay? You can do some activity that makes you like walking, jogging, swimming, okay, cycling. It can be anything, but just show up. Okay? And the another one is you have to eat healthy no matter what. Okay? Like mostly I recommend my customers, my paid clients, my students, at least to have 5 meals per day. Okay, so at least if you are not able to commit for that because of occasions or because of festivals, at least try to have your 2 meals healthy. Okay, which is your lunch, or it can be at least breakfast. Okay, if it can be any 2 meals, you have to have healthy. And what I can recommend is your breakfast should be the most healthiest meal for your day. Okay, so just show up no matter what. Don't skip healthy eating, don't skip working out daily. Okay, and this is the gift that thank you for, first of all, thank you for sticking to the video till the end, and I really want to thank you for staying till the end to understand the whole concept and the whole process. Okay, so that you can get committed for your journey, for your weight loss. And this is the gift for you for just sticking to this video till this time. Okay, so your first gift is you will get free custom meal plan guide. You can just go in the description and just find my link to where I am giving you a free meal plan guide. Okay, so go down in the description and click on the link and just grab your free copy, free ebook of simple 5 steps on how you can design your own custom meal plan. Okay, it is just a 5-page book, and you will get a lot of clarification and lot of ideas how you can get started, basically get started on your journey. Okay, it is not a full proof plan, but it has a overall generalization of healthy eating and all the things. Okay, and the another gift is I want to invite you to my webinar. Okay, I conduct weekly 2 webinars on this topic, 3 secrets to lose weight easily, and these 3 secrets are helping almost from from last 3.5 years. It is helping to my clients, it is personally helping to me to maintain my weight and to stay healthy and fit. Okay, so basically I want to invite you to this webinar where I'm going to share these 3 secrets. What are those 3 secrets? The first secret is the mind blockages. Okay, like to start any journey, like many people have these mental blockages or kind of myths or misconceptions. So it is very important to declutter all those stuff, unlearn the things that are not needed in your journey. Okay, the second is how you can have a nutritious diet. Okay, what are the different nutrients, what are the macronutrients, what are the micronutrients, what are the different aspects of nutrition, what is a global nutrition philosophy. And the third secret is what are the different exercises, the benefits of exercises, and how you can basically use this power of these 3 secrets to basically build your super healthy lifestyle. Okay, so this will be a 90 minutes workshop and I want to invite you to this workshop, and thank you so much for sticking to this video till this end, and surely I will see you in the next video. But before that, just if this video has helped you or will help you in the coming days by implementing what you have learned today, so just give a like. Okay, as well as if you feel like this video can help anybody of your friends or family members, just share this video to them, and we'll surely see you in the next video and in my webinar and you downloading my custom meal plan guide. Okay, so thank you and see you in the next video.